Let's get it. An e-bike journey from Incline Village to Sand Harbor is a 4.6-mile one-way trip that takes about 30 minutes. There are 3 places at which you cross the street to continue to the East Shore Trail that leads to Sand Harbor. This adventure, we use Tahoe Multisport to rent e-bikes. A half day was $70 each. Starting from Tahoe Multisport in Incline Village, head south on Lakeshore Boulevard. In just a few minutes, you'll see the East Shore Trail across from Highway 28. Follow the trail as it winds along the shoreline, crossing bridges and skirting granite boulders. Keep the lake on your right. Its turquoise shallows and deep blue stretches will guide you the whole way. The trail will naturally lead you to the Sand Harbor State Park entrance. The path ends by the bike rack and the ramp, opening into a sweeping view of Tahoe's East Shore. As you roll into Lakeshore Boulevard heading south, this quiet tree-lined street feels like the calm before the adventure. Stately homes and historic lakefront estates peek out between the towering Jeffrey pines and quaking aspens, their branches casting shifting patterns of shade across the pavement. To your right, the lake flickers into view between private piers, its blue surface glimmering like glass. The ride here is smooth and easy, perfect for settling into the pace while soaking in the small town charm of Incline Village's most scenic road. After a short stretch, the boulevard delivers you to the East Shore Trailhead. The transition is immediate. You leave behind the neighborhood calm and roll into a wide, welcoming path that hugs the shoreline. From here, the ride becomes a showcase of Tahoe's wide beauty. Granite boulders rising from the turquoise coves, wooden bridges crossing rocky inlets, and the scent of pine and sagebrush carried on the breeze. As the trail flows south, every curve reveals another postcard view. Hidden beaches glow gold in the sun, kayakers drift between boulders, and osprey wheel above the water. Even when the path pulls closer to the highway, the lake never leaves your side, always shimmering, always pulling your gaze back to the horizon. Finally, the trail leads you into Sand Harbor State Park. A gentle climb opens into a sweeping view of the East Shore. The perfect finale to the ride. Here, the lake stretches endlessly before you, framed by rugged granite and alpine sky.